welcome to my humble homestead gardenside chat. So today I want to talk to you about a simple home remedy. It's an old folk remedy for some nasal congestion and also for some respiratory. So I have been having some just allergy and also some breathing stuff going on. I know I mentioned before my regular doctor had put me on an antibiotic, and I was very unhappy about that. So I did have chronic sinusitis before, and the antibiotic didn't really seem to clear everything out. I have been having some still some coughing and wheezing and things like that. However, I do seem to think that I know what the underlying cause of it is. I have renovated a lot of the rooms in the house. However, I redid all the floors out here. However, the 3 bedrooms have carpet in them. And I didn't redo the floors in the 3 bedrooms. I had them professionally cleaned when I moved here. And I know they had 4 pets. So I think come springtime, I'm going to have to undergo that project and get all the carpets ripped up or have it done just because of the symptoms that I'm having. But becoming a humble homesteader, I really don't want to depend on Western medicine. I want to, which is why I'm going to be growing my herbs and coming up with more natural remedies. So one of the things that I found when I've been doing a lot of research, ordering my herbs, the ones before I can grow them, and just do some basic ones that I need right now. So one of the things that I found that is a great one for congestion and breathing is a apple cider steam. So I have 2 cups of boiling water here. I have a half a cup of apple cider vinegar. I do have the raw unfiltered, but you do not need the raw unfiltered. So whatever you have at home will work just great, or at your local store. And then if you want an extra kick, which I need today, you can do 1/4 to a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Oh, and I need something to stir that with. So I'm just going to put it in here. And then you can add also for the for some extra stuff, if you have, oops, I'm spilling this all over. If you have some dried herbs, things that help the respiratory or the congestion also, like peppermint, eucalyptus, what's the other one that I like? Mullein, dried mullein, which is really good for the respiratory. So I have those on order, and I tell you, I am certainly going to use those as well when I get those. So you just stir this up till there's no more cayenne in there, and then you take a clean bath towel, and then what you do is you're just going to tent this over. You're going to tent this over like this, and you're going to do a steam for about 10 to 15 minutes. Oh, see, I can already feel it. For about 10 to 15 minutes. Now have some Kleenex handy because it will drain it out. It might not work the very first time, but the apple cider vinegar works as an antibacterial, and it will clean all that out. You can do that up to 4 to 6 times a day, for a good few days, however you need it. I'm certainly going to use it today and maybe the next couple days. And as a benefit, you also get a great facial. So great, yeah, try this out. I'm going to be doing a whole series as I go on some homemade natural remedies, because I am definitely doing my best to work my way into health. I've been doing a lot of research, especially on autoimmune illness, and autoimmune is really our bodies attacking themselves. And why is that happening? Back 100 years ago, you didn't hear about any of these. So look for those in upcoming. I've been really studying hard on those. Okay, so thank you. Have a good day. Be blessed. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Have a great rest of your day. Be blessed. Bye.